Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce McTeer and I am the owner and operator of LaJoytra Creation Designs. I'm so glad you all decided to click on this video here today. I am going to be featuring another summertime swap reveal. The name of this artist, her name is Tameka Allen, and the name of her business will be going across the line, because no matter how many times I try to pronounce it, I don't pronounce it correctly. I think it's Ake'Mat, and I could be wrong, Queen, but I'm hoping I'm pronouncing it correctly, or Ake'Mat. It's one of those. So I'm going to make sure that I leave this Queen's information down inside the description box. She has a big cartel shop. If you see something that you would like for her to make or create, please go over and check out her shop. She also has her email information on here. Once again, I'm going to leave everything down in the description box so that if you see something that you would like to purchase, you can go over and check out her shop. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so that Queen's information, her swap, came in this yellow envelope, and I have opened it, but I have not looked at any of the contents in it, so I'm going to set everything down. I haven't opened any one of these. Everything is really looking gorgeous. Wow. So here we have it. So let me see. This is Summertime Fun. This is Summertime Extravaganza, and this is Summertime Fling. So we're going to go ahead and start off with the Summertime Fun. Now, for those of you who may be new to the channel, we did a summer swap for the month of June, July, and August, and I am going to be showcasing the items that she made and created for these swaps. Okay, so the first swap for the month of June was called Summertime Fun. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And actually, before I get started, I want to say, Tameka, Queen, thank you so very much for participating in this swap, and also for being a blessing to one of the other queens here in this swap. Okay, also I want to thank you for allowing yourself to be a blessing to others by showcasing your gifts and talents that the Most High have given you. So thank you so much, Queen, for that. I greatly appreciate that. So I'm going to open this up. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. These are cute. So this was her summertime swap reveal for the month of June. And these are gorgeous. Wow, look at this. These are too cute. These are gorgeous. Wow. And I believe that this is some type of agate. I believe she made a pair of earrings before using this stone. But these are gorgeous. So let's open up this next pair. Oh wow, look at these. These are cute. These are gorgeous. So I was Tameka's swap partner. So all of these items that I am presenting will be my goodies. So this is for the month of June, which is called Summertime Fun. Beautiful, Tameka. Thank you so very much, Queen, for participating in this swap. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and get into the month of July. And the month of July was called Summertime Fling. And I love, let me show y'all her business card. Look at her business card. This is awesome. And she got the stickers and everything. This is awesome, Tameka. This right here is awesome. These cards right here. Okay, y'all. So let me open this one. Oh, wow. Oh, look at these. Oh, wow. These are too cute. Oh, wow. These are made with copper wire. Look at these. Wow. I love it. These are cute, Tameka. Yes. Awesome sauce. Gorgeous. And look at these. I am not going to need any earrings because y'all are completing my wardrobe for me. Look at these. These are cute. Look at these, y'all. Cuteness. These are cute. Summertime Fling. Yup. Exactly. So this was for summertime, for the month of July, which is called Summertime Fling. These are really cute. Yeah, I ain't gonna need no earrings for a minute. Thank you so much, Queen. So the last one we're going to do is called Summertime Extravaganza. And that's this one right here. Oh, wow. Oh, these are gorgeous. Look at these. Oh, these are gorgeous. Yes, yes. Thank you so much, Queen. Look at these, y'all. Oh, I love them. Wow, hands down. Look at this work. Look at this work. Awesome. Awesomeness. Awesome. Yes, look at these. Wow. Yes, Queen. These are gorgeous. Wow. And this is the back. It has Ganya on the back of it. Wow. I can't say enough about your work, Tameka. Your work is awesome. Absolutely awesome. And I'm so glad you made a decision to walk in your greatness. Because had you never made that decision, we would never have known what you are capable of. I want to thank all of you queens who have decided to join in for this summertime swap. This was very, very, very exciting. And I want to thank you all for thinking outside of the box, because all the jewelry that I've seen that has been showcased that I've never seen before, and I probably never will see again. Y'all did a wonderful, awesome, awesome, hands down. This was the swaps of all swaps. Like, there will never be another swap like this. Like, never. So I want to thank y'all so very much. And I also want to thank those of you who decided to watch this video. Tameka, Queen, I want to thank you so very much, Queen. I want to thank you for just being dedicated to your craft. We appreciate you so very much for allowing yourself to be a blessing to others. And with that being said, I want to thank those of you who are new to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit that all bell button that is on the side so that when I upload more of this goodness, you will definitely be notified. I want to thank y'all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. And I have one more summertime swap to reveal. Peace and blessings. See ya.